Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to add device frames in Figma. First, select the frame you want to showcase. Then, head over to the Design panel on the right side of your screen. Within this panel, you'll find the Prototype section, which is where we'll begin customizing our device presentation. This simple initial step sets the stage for a polished and professional design display. Once in the Prototype section, click the Device drop-down menu. Here, you'll see a wide array of popular devices like the iPhone 15 Pro or the Google Pixel 8. Choose the one that best fits your design's context. Figma will instantly wrap your selected frame with the chosen device, giving it a realistic and professional appearance without any complex manual adjustments. After selecting your device, you can further refine its appearance. You have options to change the device color, perhaps to a sleek black or a vibrant blue. You can also adjust the background color surrounding the device to ensure optimal visibility and visual appeal. Don't forget to try different orientations, such as portrait or landscape, to see what best highlights your design. With your device, frame in place and customized, it's time to present your work. Enter presentation mode to see your design exactly as it would appear on the chosen device. This feature is incredibly useful for sharing prototypes with clients or team members, providing a clear and realistic context. Device frames significantly elevate the professionalism and impact of your design showcases.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.